The Mike O'Callahan, Pat Tillman Memorial Crossing is a remarkable arch structure spanning the Colorado River, linking the neighboring states of Arizona and Nevada. Located within the protected area surrounding Lake Mead, roughly 30 miles, 48 kilometers, southeast of Las Vegas, the crossing supports Interstate 11 and U.S. Route 93 as they pass over the river. Unveiled in 2010, this bridge was a central component of the Hoover Dam Bypass initiative, which redirected Highway 93 from its former course atop Hoover Dam, eliminating numerous hazardous hairpin bends and sharp curves. This structure commemorates Mike O'Callahan, Nevada's governor from 1971 to 1979, and Pat Tillman, a professional football player who left his career with the Arizona Cardinals to serve in the U.S. Army, tragically falling in Afghanistan in 2004. By the 1960s, the original route over the iconic dam was recognized as dangerous and inadequate for the growing volume of traffic. From 1998 to 2001, authorities from Arizona, Nevada, and several federal agencies collaborated to determine an optimal location for a new river crossing. In March 2001, the Federal Highway Administration chose a route approximately 1,500 feet, 460 meters, downstream from the dam. Development of the approaches began in 2003, and the construction of the main span commenced in February 2005. By 2010, the project was finalized and the new bypass route was made accessible to the public on October 19th. The entire project, including the bypass, was delivered within its $240 million budget, with the bridge itself costing $114 million. This extraordinary structure holds the distinction of being the first concrete steel composite deck arch bridge constructed in the United States, incorporating the widest concrete arch in the Western Hemisphere. Standing 890 feet, 270 meters above the river, it is the second tallest bridge in the U.S., second only to the Royal Gorge Bridge in Colorado.